Alright, this is going to be a quick unboxing video. It is a can opener by the brand MainStay, which I got at a Walmart. Normally I would have this where it's on a table, you have it in front of the camera, but there's not really going to be much to this unboxing video because it's basically just going to be me taking it out of the box and showing you. This is the cheapest can opener you can buy at Walmart. I know I suck. I should have got a better one, but I don't really use a can opener a whole lot, so it still really makes sense to me getting an expensive can opener. A cheap one will work just as fine. Here you go. This was, what was it, $8.88 I think I told you. And here's some of the features. I mean, it'll do its job. Stainless steel cutting blade, built-in knife sharpener, convenient cord storage, easy clean removal, cutting assembly. And again, this is done by MainStays, which is, I'm not sure that's like a brand that Walmart owns. Might be. Yeah, 2016 Walmart Inc. Made in China. So this is a Walmart brand. Right. Comes in a bag. Of course, you know, always when you get new appliances, wipe them down. There's that, and the cord's in here. You pull it out. There's a little doohickey, you gotta take it out so it goes longer. And here's where you would sharpen the knives. And then you have a little direction booklet. Basically line, cord, safety tips, important safeguards. The usual stuff. I mean, there's not really going to be too much here. Save the instructions. Really, I just really don't need to. Operating instructions. I mean, it's a can opener, so don't exactly take much of the way of brains. To open it, extra tall cans. It tells you how to do the knife sharpener, and then mentions it has a 1-year limited warranty. And this just starts like the Spanish version of it. And then keep it from moving around. Whoops, can opener. This was in the box, so I mean that's pretty much it. It'll do its okay job. Like I said, it's a cheap can opener, so it's not too fancy or nothing to have all these extra features, whatever you would have in a can opener. But that's it. And this is the MainStays unboxing of a can opener. You got it at Walmart. It was $8.88. If you have any comments or questions, put them below. That's pretty much it. First video of mine, please check out my channel. I do a whole boatload of stuff, unboxing, food review, restaurant reviews. I do historical places, abandoned places, museums. I do a whole boatload of stuff. So if you check out my channel, if you like, please subscribe. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Bye everybody, bye.